If you want to manifest miracles in your life, you've got to start doing something different.
So you know how when you purchase something, you provide value in the form of money, and then you receive value in whichever form, like whatever you are purchasing. For example, if you have a vacuum cleaner, you are buying it for X amount, and the value that you're getting back is that you're able to clean your house easily every single day. In manifesting miracles, I can guarantee you that the value that's going to be given back to you is going to immensely exceed the value that you give to them. Why? Because Master Shri Akashna is just an amazing, absolutely phenomenal person. The whole I Am Verse team is phenomenal, and when you go to manifesting miracles, you're basically going home. It is homecoming. If you are a person who feels that you don't fit in your society or your family or whatever, and that you're just longing to find your soul family, well, I Am Verse is your family.